Hi folks, this is Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of July 19th, 2011. The charts in this presentation are from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess Financial Technologies. The first chart is the weekly bond market, and they've remained inside of last week up to this point, but they kind of look pretty good to me. We've got support down here at around 124.22 that they have not reached. Doesn't mean they can't, but at this point they're holding above it. And it looks like they want to at least test last week's high, which happens to coincide with the blue line there. Let's call it 127 and a half. It's like 127.14, 15, right in that area. It kind of looks like that's where they want to go, and possibly up to the 128 area where the purple line is. And if they really get going hard, they could go challenge the old highs back here. I'm kind of looking for, a couple weeks of upside here. The one caveat to this is if we look at the indicator down here, it looks like it's possible the momentum is dying. You see how with the RSI has dropped below the moving average and it's just come back up to it? That is a possible indication they could run out of momentum and just be a double top in this vicinity here. So we'll have to see how that plays out, but it actually looks pretty good. Coming down and trading this and bouncing back up only guarantees a test of either the upper Keltner or the previous swing high, and they've done both of those. So we've kind of got to watch and see how they develop from here. Now in stocks, stocks staged a pretty violent reversal on the first part of this week. They've got down into the 1295 area here at the red line and have turned back up into the area, let's call this 1322. It certainly doesn't look like that's the extent of it, although it could be. Between there and 1327 is a possibility that they could just stall out somewhere in that vicinity. The red line up above price here is close to 1340, and that certainly seems very doable this week, as does a possible test of this high here, which is like 1354, 55. And wouldn't even be shocking to see them just blast right back up and make new highs here. I think they're probably setting up a selling opportunity at some point, but I'm not sure exactly where it'll come from. And sort of like the reverse of bonds, the indicator has gone above its moving average and is staying up there. So it's not showing really a lessening of momentum just yet. But it wouldn't take much to get that to turn back down. And that's what I'm looking for. I think there's a sell coming. I'm just not sure if it's in here or if we're going way up here first. So that's what we've got for you today. Sure hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in with us.